While Bitcoin goes to the $100K mark, we have a lot of updates to talk about. So with that, we jump straight onto the laptop. First thing first, we got a new Bera chain NFT to go and mint over on Zora. Link will be down below. As we see here, we only got 6 days. It is a limited time. We go and mint it, as we see over here, for 1 USDC. And make sure to go and do it now. Very important for the Bera chain airdrop, in my opinion. This NFT, we go and mint it, we go and collect it, and as we see here, 5,200 mints already at the time of recording this video. So very important, this is the official account of Bera chain, as we see over here, which they do release it a lot. Following up, we do have the Aura protocol update. Now, as we see over here, we got the Aura token launch update. You'll be able to convert your Aura points into the Aura token in case you're participating in this airdrop. Situation is that it doesn't look very good. As we see here, the conversion will follow a linear vesting schedule starting from the claim date with full access to Aura 1 year after the token generation event. So we are looking at a 1 year cliff. I remember people complaining for debridge over on Solana ecosystem when they announced a 6-month cliff or get penalized. And here we got a 1 year TG, which, bear in mind, is going to be the same for the January airdrop for the Jupiter token. It is going to have a 1 year cliff most likely. If not, we're going to have a penalty of 75% of the total token. So here is the official tweet, as we see over here, which it says 1 year after TGE. And yeah, the people don't seem to be happy. So let me know your first thought down below regarding this one. Following up, also, the Linea testnet NFT holders are going to be rewarded once again. NFT are important for all the future airdrop. That's why we go and mint the Bera chain, and we have all of them others minted. We go and collect the NFT because they are super important. Once again, the testnet LXP drop, it is going to be sent to the Linea people that had it. As we see over here, if we go over to Linea, we have seen in the past already that you can add your LXP points over to your wallet, which it is right here. I do have a total of 2,365 LXP token. And this one, for people that did go and receive it, you have the possibility to go and check your allocation even more. We have different LXP being rewarded to the users. The snapshot has been taken on October 23rd. Global maximum amount NFT holders will receive is 7,317 LXP. Then the breakdown, we got different allocation for different parts that you had. Also, we got a different percentage of people, as we see over here. And it is quite important, in my opinion, for the airdrop that we're going to be having. Linea could be popping. If it does pop at a $1 billion valuation, then it will be absolutely amazing. We could see $1, $2, 50 cents. Let me know your price prediction for the Linea token. In my opinion, we're going to be launching around the 70-cent mark and the $1 mark. I do have high hopes for this airdrop, and I do really believe it is going to cook. So let me know your opinion down in the comments below. As well as we do have the ES mods airdrop for the TIA staker. So if you are a Celestia staker, congratulations. We could potentially be into something. And this one is a very new ecosystem. The airdrop date is to be determined, as we see here. And there is the checker, which I will leave you down below. So simply go and check for your checker. It is whether it is, to connect your wallet. In this case, we are utilizing the Kepler wallet for the TIA staking. And you can scroll to the active users of the Celestia networks, connect your Celestia wallet, in this case, the Kepler or RIP. And you should see your ES mods allocation. If you have activity or eligibility on other chains, you can follow the same process. And you have until December 6th to bind an eligible Celestia org wallet to the EVM wallet. So this one, you only have approximately a month left to go and do it. And this one over here, as we see, is the page to go and connect it. So we are going to connect with the Kepler wallet, not with the MetaMask wallet, simply because it is, as we see here, this is the wallet, this is the potentially of the EOS pros, the NFT. Complete a few tasks, as we see over here, coming soon. We got the airdrop criteria page over here. And this one is to simply connect your wallet. In this case, we can go and connect the Kepler wallet, which it is right here. We can go and join in as we do. And here we go. We can connect it. We approve it over on the Kepler wallet, approve ownership, which it is my wallet. And as we see here, I got 0 Okay, very nice. Well, the other thing is that within the Kepler wallet, now there must be a minimum amount that you can go and, you know, be eligible for. But if you go and connect your wallet over here, then go and switch over to the Celestia org, which it is very important. So go over here, go to the chain visibility and connect your Celestia one that we do have right here. Come back and check your allocation for, as you see here, check your airdrop activity here, which it is your simply address to go and copy and paste it over here, JK Prover. So we do have a little bit of active users of Celestia network. So, you know, you gotta be an active user. In this case, connect the Celestia wallet for checking the airdrop, which it is the Kepler wallet over here. Click on approve as well. And here we do have it, you are not eligible. Okay, well, for this one, I am not eligible. Let me know if you are eligible down below. Following up, we also have a update over on the Jupiter airdrop, which we have seen before. And there's quite a few important updates. So for the voting system, which we thought, everybody thought the Jupiter was something important. The voting is for the ASM reward. So completely different from what the Jupiter airdrop will be in January. So the voting will not count. As we see over here, as far as the vote proposal goes, are we only going to be voting on Jupiter or including things like vesting, etc.? The vote will be 2 Jupiteries, for 2 Jupiteries, so potentially this year and next year. I would rather see it all go to SAR rewards for the next 10 years. I need 2 more years of Jupiter to execute on my strategy for Jupiter. How many days till vote? Is going to be on November 25th, so 13 days from now. And as we see over here, lots of us want to know the answer. If you stake Jupiter, does that mean you're eligible? Jupiter is not for stakers. So when it comes to it, it means that if you have used the Jupiter platform, if you have been doing the swaps, like I told you, many videos, gotta do the swaps, gotta do everything. You can go and do them right now, even though the snapshot has been already taken. So if you want to keep on doing it for next Jupiter, you know, activity over here, daily activity, switching, daily activity, limited, dollar cost averaging, perpetual, daily activity, it is very, very important. But as it seems right now, there is no eligibility for people that voted. So it is very, very important. If you voted, it is not going to be important criteria for you. So if you haven't voted yet, if you haven't got any stake Jupiter yet, it is not going to be a problem. In my opinion, a little bit of a, I think the voting should be there. Like, maybe don't make it extremely hard to receive rewards, but you should have a multiplier, you should have X amount of rewards if you are a staker, if you are a voter, because at the end of the day, if Jupiter is for the Jupiter family ecosystem, the family with the voting convince and make the Jupiter platform even better. So in my opinion, the staking should be there, the voting should be there, how many votes you have done should have been there, which could have been a good criteria to take away from what, for example, volume you created, amount of transaction you created, data that you switch in and out. So, but it is what it is. With that said, guys, see you tomorrow. Let me know down in the comments below your thoughts, and thank you for watching. Ciao, guys.